Does Robinhood allow day trading? Robinhood does indeed allow day trading, enabling users to buy and sell stocks within the same trading day. This feature makes it a popular choice for traders who engage in short-term trading strategies. However, there are important considerations and regulations to be aware of. One of the key aspects to consider is the Pattern Day Trader (PDT) rule, enforced by the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority (FINRA). According to this rule, if you execute 4 or more day trades within a rolling 5-day period, you may be classified as a pattern day trader. This classification comes with specific requirements, including the need to maintain a minimum account balance of $25,000. Failing to meet this requirement can result in restrictions on your ability to day trade. To avoid these restrictions, you might opt for a margin account rather than a cash account. Margin accounts offer greater flexibility for frequent trading, as they allow you to borrow funds to trade. However, they come with their own set of risks and requirements, including the need to maintain a higher minimum balance. Additionally, trading on margin can increase your exposure to potential losses, so it's crucial to understand the risks involved. Robinhood's platform is known for its lack of commission fees on trades, which can be advantageous for day traders seeking to minimize costs. Nevertheless, it's essential to stay informed about any changes in trading policies or additional restrictions that could affect your day trading activities. Keeping up to date with Robinhood's terms and conditions will help you navigate the platform effectively and make informed trading decisions. In summary, while Robinhood supports day trading and offers a user-friendly interface, understanding the PDT rule, the difference between account types, and the implications of trading on margin are crucial for successfully engaging in day trading. By being aware of these factors, you can make the most of Robinhood's features and manage your trading activities effectively.